I am very excited because these came today. My brand new Keen utility footwear boots. These are the Kansas City mid boots, size 11 wide, just for me. Wide, 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 wide. Anti-slip protection. We need that as well. And let's take a look at them. Nice packaging. Ooh. So these are Keen Dry Boots. So that's a new logo. This is my first pair of Keen Dry Boots. I've had Keen waterproof boots before, but we'll see if these live up to it. They have a composite toe, and right out of the box, they are beautiful. I gotta say, they got some scaling here. Very nice. It's almost like a heavy-duty tennis shoe kind of design on these boots. So these are very nice. I can't wait to try them out tomorrow. There's the tread, looks nice and rugged, ready to go. So here we go. We are June 2023 and these babies are going out on the road tomorrow. So we got them all laced up and just made my first delivery in them, and so far so good. A couple of notes that I'll make on the boots right away is, first and foremost, the laces. So as you know, if you've had Keens or watched some of my other videos, the Keen boots that are usually round, have round laces. Those laces don't hold up very well. But these are a new flatter lace. So that's the first time I've had these on Keen boots. The flat laces help me get the boot very, very tight. So I like that. It's nice and snug around my ankle. So that is awesome. We got the sun coming up, so that's nice. The next thing I'll say is these boots a little stiff. Usually Keen boots come in broken in and ready to go, but these are a little stiff. I've only made one delivery. My feet feel fine so far, but a little bit stiffer than your typical Keen boot. So I think there is going to be a break-in period. So far the traction has been good. I did not use a ramp at this stop, but I did go into a cooler and had a wet little slope too that I went up and down on a couple dozen times, and the traction was very good. So far it feels like the traction is good and we're not gonna have any issues with the boots as far as that goes. These boots also fit a little higher on the ankle. So even though they're considered a mid boot, they do fit up a little bit higher, so it's a little tougher to get them on in the morning, but it does give you good support here. So unlike my Baltimores that were a little bit lower, more like down here, these are a pretty high ankle. So they will protect your ankles. It just makes getting them on and off a little bit tougher. All right, I can't stand around talking to you guys all day. I got more deliveries to make. So I'll give you an end of the day review and we'll see how these boots hold up. Well, I actually ended up using these for about 2 weeks, and I'm going to share with you a few of the pros and the cons. Overall, these are holding up well. So they're nice boots, good quality. So the one thing I will say about these boots compared to a lot of Keens that I've had is they're pretty stiff. So the ankle support area and the insole is actually pretty stiff. So I have had some foot pain and even some knee pain with these. So they're not like the other Keens that I've had where you they're comfortable right out of the box. These are definitely gonna have more of a break-in period. So just a heads up there, I would recommend getting some insoles, maybe some Dr. Scholl's or something to put in there. I'm going to be doing that. So that is one of the negatives. Another thing, which is not the boot fault, but they are a lot higher than the boots I had last. So they're a little bit tougher to get on and off. So that's something to keep in mind. The pros are, I do really like these new Keen laces. They're like the 3/8 wide laces. They're not round, and we'll see how those hold up, and I'll definitely do a video of how they ended up holding up when I'm done, but I like that a lot. The other thing I really like so far is the tread. These are the best boots I've had so far for in-freezer tread. They're really grippy. So I go into a lot of freezers and sometimes the floor is a little damp and the freezer floors can be super slippery. But these dig in well, and I feel more secure, and I don't feel as much as I'm doing a slip and slide when I'm putting food into the freezer. So overall, decent boots. I'm liking them, and we'll see how they hold up after a year. Once again, these are the Keen Kansas City Mid KBF WP waterproof work boots. Mine were extra wide, 11E, that's my size. So please give them a shot. Let me know if you like them or what boots you like even better. And thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, send me a comment. Have a great day, everybody.